guys, it's me, Connie from Orlando Traveler. It was a cloudy day here in Orlando, Florida, and I decided to visit Gatorland for the first time. Come along with me as we explore how many alligators we can spot and check out their special Halloween attractions. Let's go! I think they have this.
Gator
Jumparoo
competition. We're gonna get these alligators and crocodiles jumping, but not for any old reason. Standing behind me, I got two of the greats. But you guys have the two teams. So you start the team check on all the way behind Bubba. Y'all be Team Bubba. Make some noise for Bubba. Red dress going all the way behind Cooter. Y'all be Team Cooter. Make some noise for Cooter. The louder you are, the higher these gators are going to jump. Bubba, Cooter, are you ready? All right, audience, are you ready? Come on now. I said, audience, are you ready? All right, gentlemen, send them out there on 3. 1, 2, 3. Send them out there. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Oh, make some noise. Yell, jump, yell, go. Let's go, Gator. We're looking for that chicken. Oh, it's jumping against Bubba. Can the little guy get it down? No, he can't. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Oh, make some noise. Down. We got a little guy jumping over on Bubba's side. Big guy jumping. Oh, and he missed. Oh, yell, jump, yell, go. Make some noise. Miss on Bubba's side. Scooter's team's not doing so good either. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Got one down on Bubba's side. It is neck and neck. Come on, teams, I can't hear you. Oh, yell, jump, yell, go. Bubba, try to shake your arm, Bubba. Try to shake it. Shake it, not shake it. Hey, shake the chicken, not your butt, man. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Make some noise. These gators are hungry. Oh, they're get the whole piece down. You're not done yet, Gator. Come on, make some noise. I'm going to focus on Bubba's side over here. Come on, Bubba's team, help them out. I'm going to focus over here on Bubba's side. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go.
Oh my God!
All right, audience, are you ready? All right, gentlemen, send them out there on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, send them out there. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Make some noise. Got one down for Cooter.
Oh my God!
Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Come on, keep it up, I can't hear you. There we go. Go down to the hand jumps, yell, jump, yell, go. Make some noise, y'all. Watch your fingers, boys. Come on, yell, jump, yell, go. Keep that noise up. Oh, we got beautiful jumps on Bubba's side. We're looking for that chicken. Got goals on Cooter. Come on, Bubba's team, help them out. Yell, jump, yell, jump. Come on, Gator's team, help them out. Yell, go, yell, go. Yell, mayonnaise for all I care. Just make some noise. Oh, yell, jump, yell, go. Guys, trying for that chicken. Oh, yell, jump, yell, go. Come on, people, make some noise. Come on, Bubba's team, Cooter, you ready? No, you don't win yet. We haven't gotten that far. Come on, Bubba's team. Make some noise.
Oh my God!
Yell, jump. Oh, you get it down. I'm going to count you down. Come on, make some noise, y'all.
Hey!
Listen. On the real truth, I didn't see all the jumps anyway. And it won't be fair if I decided to run the job here today. The audience, they saw it all. I'm leaving it up to them. So, Bubba's team, if you think Bubba got the highest jumps in the job, make some noise for Bubba. And Cooter's team, if you think Cooter got the highest jumps on the job, make some noise for Cooter. I think Bubba's side was a little louder. Hold on. What? Do it again. All right, you're lucky. This is Florida. We do recounts all the time. All right. Bubba, Steve, last chance. Make some noise for Bubba. Green Steve, last chance. Make some noise for Cooter. Come on. I'm glad I did it twice. In the end, I'm giving the job to Cooter. Put him down. What are you doing? No, that's not how you get a job, man. Listen, we lose Gator handlers all the time. We'll have it back next week. Don't worry about that. Don't give a big round of applause. These two knuckleheads are still like them.
Ay, sinitik pa yun ang chicken. Huckleberry. Say hi! The pumpkin patch moving. You have this scary pumpkin. Hi guys, that's the short train here at Gatorland, which can take you go around inside the park. Train is crossing. Small little train. There you go. We'll see what we can see in here. Breeding more alligator, breeding marsh, waiting bird, rookie, and observation tower. I'm not going there. Let's see. Oh, this is the Owen Godwin's Iron Horse, Central Florida first amusement park ride. Oh, it's cool. After logging almost 500,000 miles in 1 car per mile increments, our paper train was officially retired on September 24, 2000. That's the train earlier, guys. Okay. Gatorland. That was the Gatorland Express train. You can enter here if you want to ride for a train. So parking here. Gatorland train station, home of the Gatorland Express. You're on the right track for adventure. Let's see over here. Chupacabra. Chupacabra. In front. This is the show you can get in here when you went to, excuse me guys, Gatorland, Gator Jumparoo show, alligator breeding marsh, Gator gully splash pad, Gator chow, food for gators. Oh, like this chow man, chow king. It's swamp white gator. Oh, they have white gator. And the screaming gator zipline. Oh, that's what it is, the screaming gator zipline. We wouldn't go there, guys. Swampy buggy gator off-road adventure. And if you want to adopt a dragon, purchase over here. Ho ho ho! This is a little tiny skeleton. That's their gift shop over there. Adventure Outpost. It's a gift shop. You can buy all kinds of gator, alligator. What is this? Fox's hen house. This one is rub it up. Wash your hands in the tub. I don't want to do that. This one is good looking, but Point Pleasant, West Virginia. Beware of a spider. That is scary. It's supposed to be somebody here, but they're still closed, guys. Still closed, nobody here. Somebody in this adventure hour hunt feed giant gators. Oh my gosh, look at the big alligators. That is big. Holy that was huge. Oh my god. It's big. That was a big one.
Take it straight in, hold on nice and tight. You can feed the 3 to 5 year old alligators behind you, and probably the 2 to 4 year old alligators behind me. Do not feed the giant ones on either side, they will drag you in. There's a 15-foot crocodile right there. You will go in the water and not come out. He's not going up a lot, right? That's fine. Stevie, I can't feed you, you need to go. I'm sorry.
It's raining, guys. It's time to go home with a bye-bye bird. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Connie from Orlando Traveler at Gatorland, Orlando, Florida. Bye-bye.